Are sea squirts invasive species? Have you ever heard of sea squirts? These fascinating marine creatures, also known as tunicates, are more than just interesting to look at. Some species of sea squirts can actually become invasive. While there are thousands of native sea squirt species around the world, a few have been introduced to new areas where they can cause problems for local marine life. Invasive sea squirts often belong to specific groups, including Didymnum. Notable examples are Didymnum vexillum, the club sea squirt known as Styella clava, and the European sea squirt called Acidiella aspersa. These species can reproduce quickly and create dense colonies that cover hard surfaces like rocks, docks, and even boat hulls. This growth can smother native marine life, including important shellfish such as mussels, clams, and scallops, which play vital roles in marine ecosystems. Didymnum vexillum, sometimes referred to as the carpet sea squirt or sea vomit, is particularly invasive. It can spread rapidly over both natural and artificial surfaces, outcompeting native species for space and resources. This species is tricky to identify because it looks similar to some native tunicates, but it forms smooth, gelatinous colonies that cling tightly to surfaces. It has caused ecological and economic issues in places like North America, Europe, and New Zealand. Invasive sea squirts pose a significant threat for several reasons. They grow quickly and from thick mats that dominate surfaces, making it hard for native species to thrive. They can outcompete native filter feeders by covering them and limiting their access to food. In many introduced areas, these invasive species have few natural predators, allowing them to expand unchecked. Their presence can also impact fisheries and aquaculture by fouling equipment and reducing shellfish populations. Human activities, such as shipping and aquaculture, often help these sea squirts spread. They can attach to boat hulls and gear, moving from one region to another. From the perspective of marine life, invasive sea squirts create challenges for biodiversity and ecosystem balance. They change habitats and food availability for native species, which can reduce the diversity and abundance of marine invertebrates and other organisms that depend on healthy coastal environments. While many sea squirts are native and play important roles in marine ecosystems, certain species are invasive and can overwhelm native marine life and habitats. Managing their spread is essential for protecting marine biodiversity and ensuring the health of fisheries.